Alright, here's a video on a AGT H15 Mini X. Just gonna do a real quick video. We've got hundreds of videos on our website if you want to go back and look at any other ones. But anyways, quick little walk around. It's new, unused. Pretty nice little setup here with the controls, auxiliary hydraulics, ready to go for all the attachments that we will have in this sale as well. Right there. I'm gonna fire it up and show you how it operates. Anyways, come check it out. Preview day, Friday before the sale from 9 to 4. Questions in between that, just let us know. Thanks for watching.